What's up? What's up? Oh, my keyboard. Keyboard is not working. Mm. How's everybody doing? What's up, Justin, Nico, Corpse? What's up?
Oh, well,
How you doing, bro?
nah, lacking yourself.
Good, man.
Good.
Corpse, what's up?
What's up?
How's it going?
Is it echoing? It's not, eh?
No, it's not.
Okay, oh yeah. Back on you.
Yeah, good.
What do you think this news is gonna do? Good or bad?
I'm expecting.
It looks like it's gonna be mixed.
I'm expecting higher than the forecast, and then possible sells to correct this nonsense. There's something that I'll actually want to look at, because this is what I've been thinking about and think might be the idea for today. 1930, this CPI right here. Yeah. Let's go back to this CPI. So, I mean, this was a different story where we were clearly bearish at the time. But something to take into account is obviously the overall trend. So here we were bearish, and what we saw throughout the day was we were pulling back, and yeah, I mean all through London you pulled back, and then when the news came out you had that liquidity grab up to the next psychological level near the structure at 1930. Let's see on the 5. Yeah, so I think that day the numbers were high as well, which made sense for the sells. I was confused with the move up, but you know, we took advantage of these sells. I remember these sells were pretty nice. So if we have a scenario like this today, maybe we can no, I can't go down to 1 minute. Maybe we can take slightly better advantage of it. Hey, Preezy and Taran, what's up? These folks are probably just chilling. What are you up to today? Rainy day in Cape Town, right? It's raining here. Anyway, so that idea from, when was it? The 10th of August. That's kind of what I would like to see, what I'm sort of prepared to see. You know, we're seeing this move up now throughout London, throughout Asian. Obviously, overall we have a bullish trend now in this scenario with the it's not Russia Ukraine anymore, it's Israel Palestine. You know, that news has come in, and that sort of stuff can get priced in pretty quickly if it's not escalating, which I mean, it's not too crazy, right? So what we could see is if the numbers come out higher than 3.6, so if numbers are coming out at like 3.7, then we could get that that move up to maybe, let's call it 1890. See a rejection there at 1890. Let's have a look here on the 4 hour. At 1885 is too close to really take it into consideration. So that sort of zone will be nice to come up into for the sells, and then for the buys, I would like to see a pullback, so maybe coming back into this zone here between 1880, yeah, about 1880, 1878 for the buys. So if we get liquidity grabs with news, let's say we come down, you know, can look for buys from that area. I can look for buys from down here. Moving up, looking to just come back into 1885, possibly back to 1890. And then if we get the move up first, grabbing liquidity, then could look for sells from 1890. But those ideas will have to have the numbers in our favor. So for the sells, you want to see higher numbers. For the buys, you want to see lower numbers. Numbers come out mixed, wait for NYSE. And, you know, if, let's say, numbers come out really high, so let's say they come out at like 3.8, and we just get a straight drop, then your job is to wait for a pullback. We could even, okay, that's a bit excessive. Let's say we get a drop, you know, then you could be looking to pull back all the way to 85 again, where then you could look for the sells. Or, you know, let's say we get a straight drop, break below this zone, come back, retest this zone, the London lows, and then we look for the sells from here. So like I said, those are some ideas there, and then just obviously tie it in with how the data comes out. Time's teaching me the tips and tricks. Lovely, lovely. Let's go, Precy. It's about time you got some pips, bro. Not an easy journey. No, not at all. Not at all. Hey, Kay, what's up? Actorino. What's up, what's up? Yeah, you know, another news day here. Always with news, lower your expectations. Anything can happen. Got smashed on NFP last week, so, you know, let's just forget about that. It's a new day today. New challenges, new opportunities, and let's take advantage of it, make the most of it, be patient, don't over risk. Understand markets have been volatile, and a catalyst like this is most certainly going to bring more volatility, where whatever lot size you use on a normal basis, you'll probably, when using that lot size now, be risking a lot more because price is moving a lot faster, right? Lovely for us. Thank you, bro.
And remember that next month, everything will be here again. So there's no reason to try and get it all from this one.
Yeah, facts. There's another CPI next month, so don't over risk. You know, NFP last week, like I said, I got smashed, but overall, I had lowered my risk and it wasn't that bad, you know? Let's go. I don't want to look at price when numbers come out. I don't care. I want to see the numbers first. Don't worry about unemployment claims. We came out between forecast and previous. That's not going to hold any weights. CPI month on month is up. Okay, cool. So based on the numbers, we came out same as the previous, but we've come out higher than the forecast. It is still showing higher inflation. Overall, you know, with this aggressive move to the upside over the last week, we could easily see corrections from this move now. So far hasn't had a major drop or anything. You know, if we could now come up into 1890, get those rejections there, we can look for the sells. Really hasn't done much. If you want to be a hero, sell it on the break of this 1 minute low. I'm only saying that because your stop wouldn't be that big. I'm not going to do it.
Cool, I'm done for the day. Cheers, Con.
Wow.
I did take a sell before news, just for the
For us.
just for
Full
the
margin for the boy.
for the 10 lot, so 1%.
What's going on? Is this CPI or is this... What is this?
No,
Bro,
this is the
nothing is
30-minute
happening.
close. It's the 30-minute close.
That's the 30-minute close.
30 minutes just
Bro.
pulling back.
No.
You know, 1 minute to make it look. That's what looks more intense because it's a 1 minute. I was gonna say.
What is happening?
It's starting to push now. I mean, almost 50 pips. That's fucking crazy, bro. News release and it jumped 30 pips only.
Alright, chat. I'm gonna go make coffee. This is gay. This is honestly nothing is
I'm
happening.
gonna do this. Check in a bit.
I'm gonna go make coffee. Oh. Yeah, I'll see you guys now. I mean, with this, there's nothing going on now. I might end up waiting for the 4 hour to close. Yeah. Bro, what? Nothing is happening. I don't know. Free. Why you tag Monster Money Trading? Monster Money Trading doesn't exist. Cuck funny. But those charts are looking clean. I love Tyrant's chart. Tyrant's chart is always very clean, I must say. Proud of you, Tyrant. What is that? Okay. Yeah, those buy ideas yesterday were nice, but you know, that was so choppy for quite some time. It only really started to move at like 5. So yesterday's trade was tricky. I'm glad that I managed it. Took a minor L, you know, waited for something cleaner. But that idea of Comex creating a low and then coming to respect that low and then that becoming the low for the session, you know, this right here is going to obviously be our high. So if we could come back into this area, come back up into like 1885, that'll be amazing. That'll be like an A++ full margin setup. Right, and then your lows from London are right over here, around 78.6, 78.5. Yeah, let's call the London low 78.5. We also just tapped that now with the news. So what is also nice if we could break below and retest that 78.5. So yeah, we're breaking below there now. So if we could retest 78.5 once we've had like a clean break below there, even retesting 1780, looking for a move down to about 1770. It's kind of weird, the CPI. It's a very slow, gradual drop. I would also look to leave runners for sells down here to retest this 1860. And, you know, this is just a bit more of a longer term outlook. Not necessarily for today's sales, but like I say, with these sort of war tensions, these things can get priced in pretty quickly. What you'll see on other brokers is that this is a gap. And with this gap, you know, this could be our catalyst to slowly start coming back down to fill that gap, coming back down into like 1830, maybe the 1810s.
Did you go make coffee?
Yep.
Someone asked for $30, bro. Oh fuck.
Who?
Prophet Edwin. So can I have 30 USD, please?
Wow. What do you want it for? Tell me what you want.
If he says live,
we can talk.
if he says live account, then rather don't waste your money, Connor. Because we both
no,
know that anyone with $30 is not going to. We both know that very well. So, how's your sales going, boy? You're not in sales. A butt plug. Yeah, Ned. Don't tell fucking Prophet Edwin stuff out like that. That's just Ned. Oh, fuck. Oh, myself from 83.6 is doing alright, eh? How's yours?
Did you take one?
At 83.6, yeah.
Nice.
Before news, so I had big ballas, so that's why.
Oh, you mad, bro.
Are you gonna give Edwin $30, Nico?
Oh, fuck him. And then I stacked it at 78.
Oh, yeah, no, this is good. This looks really nice. We just wait for some sort of pullback and some structure on the 5-minute now. Should come nearing the end of the 4-hour or beginning of the new 4-hour into NYC. We should see some really nice setups and then a nice continuation later in the session. So I would just wait at this point.
You know, NYC is coming with that pullback. Oh, you know it's coming.
Yeah. How would that week
I'm about to get
that pullback is gonna come.
With that like slow-mo drop shit. Yeah, for sure. Also, I'm gonna get stopped out now at 78.15 on everything. So
what your added position, you went break even and put stops for your first position there as well?
Yeah, but I closed out his position on everything. So I closed out some on everything on that low when it pushed down. And then I mean, there's everything out now on stops. So your first trade and stacked. But I mean, I think that's honestly me for the day, bro. So we'll see.
Yeah. Oh, nice. What more do you need?
I mean, with the trade from this morning, you know,
yeah.
I did go lower risk, but still more than 1% for the day. So, bonging. Yeah, I played some good golf this morning, Con. Yeah.
Where would you be playing golf?
Where was that? West Bank.
So I didn't even know you played golf this morning.
Yeah, but I was going to play 18 this morning before fetch Kobe, but tell me, you're going to wait for the 4-hour close before carrying on.
Yeah, no, I'm going to.
Very cool. Yeah, no, I was going to wait for Kobe. I was going to play. No invite, nothing. Pre-year in East London.
Nothing.
So I don't listen. Me and Connor have an agreement. We don't waste one another's time. Okay. So me even phoning him, asking him to play golf is me wasting my time. So yeah, maybe driving range, but not golf. Anyway, no, we just went this morning. I was gonna play 18 before fetch Kobe, but then they have a competition. But listen to it's a charity event. But I didn't know they do this in golf. But anyway, bro, there's a 4-ball, so a 4-man starting on every single hole at the same time. I've never heard of that. That's fucking crazy.
That's crazy. So there were like 18 teams, basically.
Yeah, dude, but they said some of the holes are stacked. So some of them have 2 4-balls. So one 4-ball goes, then the next one goes, then the oaks from the previous hole come and go. Like, what the fuck, dude? But it was a charity event. That's why there's so many people. So they didn't have a limit. It was just stacked. So, yeah, crazy, dude. So, yeah, so we weren't allowed to play over 11:30 this morning. So we just played 9 holes. So, yeah. So fucking dude, I couldn't believe it. You should see the amount of cars that was coming in, bro. That was crazy, bro. Fuck. No, shit.
You remember in the beginning, like when we first started playing, if there was a tournament and we were nervous to be around it. Now you're playing tournaments and everything.
No, dude, but that doesn't fucking matter. I shit myself, dude. Like on the 9th hole today, on the 9th hole, they're busy setting up shit on each hole, bro. Like there's buckies and new cars. Bro, they retards, dude. They're parking brand new fucking cars on the golf courses around the golf course to advertise the new cars. I'm thinking to myself, bro, I'm not that good to miss your cars every fucking hole, yeah? And you're putting them everywhere. Dude. Like not just one hole, everywhere, dude. There was 4 holes on the front that had cars on them. What the fuck? So on the 9th hole,
that's brave though. That is brave of them.
New cars, bro. Me too. That's the thing. I wouldn't care about my squad. Also aim for the fucking car. But anyway, it'd be bad. It's not right.
I wouldn't need to aim for it. I would hit it. Just my luck.
But on the 9th hole, bro, there was already like fucking 20 people there, just chilling there. So now I have to tee off, and I'm like, oh, for fuck's sakes. So I was doing so good until there, because then I hit it gone off the tee box back. Bro, I was so upset because I played my best round of 9 of the front 9 at West Bank today with that last penalty coming in. And I'm telling you, I only got that penalty because of the fucking people standing there. I played 8 over on the 9 icon.
That's not bad, eh?
Shit.
Sure, not bad.
That's post good.
So I played 45 on a 37. Just getting there.
So if you always played scores like that, what would that make your handicap?
If I take my best front and my best back, if I just took those 2 scores and put them together, because they're not on the same day, obviously, I'd be playing at a 14 handicap.
Jeez. That's good.
Because of my best on. But that's just on West Bank, dude. Other courses, you don't do the same. It's not the same.
Yeah,
I'll obviously do shit on other courses.
And you obviously also know the course pretty well.
Yeah. So, I mean, at least, bro, like what? Fuck. Beginning of the year, I was a 36 handicap. And then currently, I am a 24.2 handicap. So, you know, he's playing with the 55 handy. The last thing is the oak I'm playing with is a 17 handicap. He's a Bali, but he's like, dude, he's so consistent. And the thing I love the most about Peter, dude, he gives me tips because he knows, like, he tells me what to do, and he's literally improved my game over the last few games I've played with him. That's what I fucking love about it. You know. So I'm ready when you're, Icon. Just saying.
Cool.
Bro, this fucking heart that's over here. Can I get rid of it? That's on my in the chat here. It was irritating the
I
fuck out of
can't.
me. Because you see, now I can. Hey, golf is another story. You, and then I can't see the next word because there's a stupid fucking heart.
Yeah, you have to wait for the next message. Yeah, send another message. Get the chat rate up.
Sorry, I tried to press any button, but I happened to press that L. So yeah, just it's my bad.
Yo, you're not.
That fucking didn't mean it, bro.
That's rude, bro.
I
I haven't even taken a trade yet, and you're sending L's. Don't be your friends.
Could you go ref something now? What? Go ref polo. Oh, yeah.
Easy, enjoy, bro. Have a good one. Shot for popping in.
Yo, dude.
Appreciate you.
Pri and Mizzy and they make such sick fucking stories and
Yes.
shit on RG. I can't. Yeah,
Always
dude.
do.
Fuck, they look so fucking insane. I saw. I actually think about it because I saw. Yo, dude. I saw Pri's one the other day that he posted. I think he posted something. The
Yeah.
chart was just insane, dude. I dig how they do that shit. Anyway, it's okay. You can.
Just gotta wait here for the 4-hour candle. We're already seeing that pullback come in. You know, with this low, it's like pretty low volatility. Okay, we did move down nearly 100 pips. Really low volatility. But yeah, I mean, let's just wait for a clean setup. I'd like to see us come back into this area and see what we do. See if we reject. We might even break above here, to be honest. I mean, with the news, with the war tensions and that, you know, what we've been seeing is obviously gold is more bullish. We've seen this uptrend. I mean, you just go look at an hourly time frame and you can see that we are clearly bullish. So when you're bullish like this and you get with gold being bullish, let's say there's positive news that comes out for the dollar, then what that can lead to is just a pullback and you continue with the trend later in the session. With something like CPI, where it could be more trend shifting because it brings the focus back to the Fed rate hikes. So we've had a higher than expected inflation reading now. So that brings the focus back to the Fed's monetary policy. You know, that's now potentially ruling out rate cuts and could bring some back, bring back dollar strength. So yeah, we're seeing dollar finding a bit of support here. And we've been hovering and consolidating around this previous structure. If you look on the 4-hour, you'll see quite nicely. So we did have this trend line that we broke, but fuck a trend line. Look at the structure, right? These were our previous lows. So if you're looking at, like I say, the structure, higher highs, higher lows, this is structure. So we can still pull back to these lows and still be bullish because we haven't broken these lows, we haven't formed new lows, we haven't formed a lower high, so we're not shifting bearish just yet. We formed a high, we formed a higher low, higher high, we pulled back into the lows where we are now finding support, and here we could potentially just see dollar continue to move bullish. So like I said, it does make sense for the sells here. But with that news story, you know, this news might just give you a liquidity grab and you continue moving bullish. But You know, you'd have to see headlines about the war situation. I don't think we're just gonna see us, you know, blast to the upside unless there's some headlines. I think it makes the most sense to see how price pulls back here. Wait for a resistance to be formed and just bang the sells. Price may not pull all the way back up to this zone, 1885, but if we do, and I think it's worth waiting for it, I think that's going to really be the highest probability setup here. You know, I'm not in a rush to take anything. I want to see what price is going to do. We've pulled back into 1880. That's also a level where you could form resistance and continue to move down. You know, I would potentially be interested in something like that, but with the new 4-hour opening up, I would rather wait and see how that new 4-hour opens. Could get a top wick easily back into that 1885 zone. Looks good on the 5 minutes. But yeah, I'm gonna wait a little bit longer, see what the 4-hour close does. Already placed the order. Which order did you place for? Sorry to hear that. Yeah, we've had a bit of a pullback. You're seeing this 5-minute structure now. You know, this is not a bad idea. Like I say, you might not get the pullback all the way to 1885. We've had a nice substantial pullback to 1880. You know, this is something that I would possibly look at, but it's just the timing is off. This definitely is a zone of interest. You got your London lows here, 1880 key level. Makes sense to pull back into this area and continue moving down, but it doesn't look right. Ethiopia, lovely. Welcome, welcome. Where's everybody else from? If you're new here or if you haven't said anything in the chat, let me know where you're from. I know there's a lot of regulars here. I know where you all live. I know your address.
People watching goes down to 2.
Imagine. Ned, Kazakhstan. Lovely, bro. Yeah, that setup on the 5 is it looks nice. I just I don't trust the timing.
Don't stress, Con. Never trusted this, bro. Sri Lanka, Botswana. I mean, Prophet Edwin sounds like a Botswana type of person.
Bro, what does that mean?
Didn't you see what he said earlier? He already placed the chart because of what Ned said.
Yeah, that is something I like this, but like I say, the timing.
Oh, the Salah took you like that. Okay, I see.
He also didn't get much of a top wick on this current 5, so it's, you know, would have liked to have seen a bit of a top wick, considering it's the new 4-hour.
For sure.
Not just have to wait for NYC.
You think we're gonna continue down? I don't know. I'm having a tough time believing it, eh?
I don't know, man. I don't know, it's... Something seems weird. I don't know if it's just me. Something seems weird. Like, price is lazy. Like, something is brewing. There's a big move at NYC, I'm telling you. I don't have any expectations, but... I don't know, something is off.
I said like pre NYC, like that last 5 minutes before that half an hour close. Watch I get excited. Pull back to 85.
No, watch after the first 5-minute candle closes up NYC, it's just gonna drop.
Just gonna bomb you, Sam.
We're gonna pull back on this 30 minutes and close bullish like this. We'll close bullish just above this resistance.
Hey,
And then the first 5 is gonna also maybe just tap there. And then the first 5 will close like that. And then you'll see the next 5 and this 30 will just come into 1875. And then we'll just continue to drop for the session.
Off the screen even.
Yeah.
I wanted to break my floor, bro. Fucking through my table. Have you seen that bullish candle that goes like a chimney through the roof of
Oh
that?
shit. Yeah.
Oh fuck. Connor, you see, you make me scared. I was gonna go break even already, and I'm like only 6 pips up.
NYC boys. NYC is where the magic is at. And you know what? You know what happens if we come down into these lows? If we come down into these lows, right, and we're not breaking, we just keep rejecting this area around 1775. Fuck it, we take the buys.
At that point, stops are small anyway. So,
Yeah.
well, they would be. Drop your number, please. I want mentorship. Okay, sure. His number is 0.
Bro, this is all I do. You receiving the mentorship right now. Ask a question. What do you want to know? I'm here. I'm all
I go,
yours. You can ask
you
anything.
know you gone. You know you're gone, eh?
Pardon?
Like you're off the screen, you know?
I'm off
Like
the
you,
stream.
not there anymore. Yeah, like I can't see you.
What do you mean, bro?
Wait, no, wait, fuck, my thing rewinded. Holy
Oh.
shit, my YouTube started over. I was about to say, Connor, where you go? Hi, bro, how the fuck did my stream start over?
Chat,
It
this
isn't
is
touching shit.
I'm here for you. You know, the chat is there for you. If you want to ask a question, I'll answer to the best of my ability.
And if you really do want mentorship, there is Connor, what's that thing called on your RG?
Oh yeah, you can book a one-on-one session. There should be a link in the video description. No lies, I haven't checked because that booking site is not the greatest. But I mean, if you want to organize a one-on-one lesson, there is a link in the video description. Check it out. I'll get back to you.
Or just pop in his DMs, dude. Also,
Yeah,
you
just
can pop into
pop
his
in my
DMs and then
DMs.
EFT the money, you know, because that'll also be easier, dude. Fuck. Just
$1,000
pop
for
into
now.
the wrong Just pop into the right DMs. Also, you might be paying $1,000 for 1 fucking hour. That's it.
Yeah, no, there are a couple fake Instagram accounts. So, I mean, my Instagram profile is in the video description as well. If you want to get hold of me, there it is. You can send me a DM. I don't mind. I'll reply to DMs. Unless you're a scammer.
If you're a scammer, we send you money.
Have you seen that?
Better you.
There's this guy who he like works with AI, and I know that he made some app where it's like a fake live stream, so it looks like he's got all these people watching him.
I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
But he did this one thing where he said like he scammed these scammers, right? So they would send him a message saying, it's one of those things where it's like, we'll send you $10,000, but you need to send me $50 first.
Yes, I know what you're talking about.
So then he kind of
asked for a
reversed
fee.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, he asked to send them the money. Yeah.
Yeah.
And they
He
never
basically
paid
like
them.
made it like a Photoshop thing from the app, from Venmo or whatever app it was, PayPal, saying that they need to send him some money first
To release the
worked.
money.
Yeah, to release the money.
And then it worked, but he racked up quite a bit. You know what I've seen, dude? There's this hacker that like he gets into the like computer of the other person, because obviously they think they're speaking to someone that's clueless, and then they're like,
Yeah.
the access thing. So when they do that to get access of your shit, he takes access of their shit, and then he basically takes all their stuff, bro. You must see how this always carry on. Like they start crying and everything to have their shit back, and then it's like, but why? You then a scammer? How? What the fuck? Why must I give it back to you? You know? And then he deletes all their shit, and like apparently like one computer that they hold has a lot of shit on it that you don't want to like lose and stuff, apparently. I don't know. And then he just froze it. But I've seen some hectic shit like that. There was a guy that literally checked like a group of hackers for a group of scammers for 6 months because he's a hacker, and he checked them, but they hack, like they steal people's like insurance and stuff. So and then he literally like listened to all their calls, got into the CCTV footage from inside their like building and everything, got the police in India to get the exact building to go raid them and everything, dude. It was a fucking hectic story. There's like 4 episodes on YouTube of that shit. It's very hectic. He even got an oak with a drone to fly around the location he thought it's at to get photos of the place to make sure it's the right place and stuff. And then so I mean it was hectic. But anyway, imagine, dude. Or it might have been Pakistan, not India. I think it's the one Ed's talking. But it's hectic. Before you go in on the computers and stuff, you must give your phone. Everyone must put their phone in the front in a basket. Then they go in and do their shit and whatever. Huh?
I kind of like the way it's respecting 1880 here.
One 5-minute close, no top week, and then the next one engulfed it. So,
and then you got a Bolton on the 15. How big would this stop be? Because this is easy wick full.
What's that? 30,
Yeah.
28.
Mm.
About 30 pips.
Doesn't look bad.
It doesn't look bad. But this 5 minutes only a minute or 2 minutes in now, so
Ew, hectic. That's very deep, bro. Sorry to hear that.
Connor,
Yeah.
wait.
That's why I need to learn by myself. So where can I get the link? Well done, bro. I'm very glad that you had that realization. Nobody's gonna do this shit for you. Nobody's gonna do this shit for you. That's why people get scammed. They think that this shit is easy. That's why people waste their money on things like signals.
Connor, just read the Zoom chat, please, bro.
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck. Killed me when I saw that.
Yeah, this bolt on the 15 looks clean, bro.
And after it came up like that from the 5, it's coming back.
I think the only option is for me to either take the break of the previous 15-minute low or wait for this 15 to close. If it can close bearish below here, then I can bang it.
Bro, I think if that thing does break that low now, I don't think we're coming back before the close of the 15.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, I don't think, yeah. So it's just, yeah, that next 15 can make a top with. But technically, if we close down, yeah, the next 15 can also give us a managing point, dude. So.
And it's also going to be quite clear to see, I mean, if we get the wick full and then we reject any of these lows, then you know, okay, there's issues here. So you can manage.
Yeah. It's just tough because if we don't push and we're sitting up here for NYC, then yeah. I mean, I like it. What you gonna do?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it. Yeah, Chad, if we break that previous 15-minute low, I'm gonna hop in here. It is sort of like a breakout trade, which I haven't been enjoying breakout trades lately, but this is kind of the setup that I would take for a breakout trade. This bolt-on makes a lot of sense. You at least have the wick full, which is, it's not much. It's about 17 pips, 18 pips, but it is range enough to give us a high probability trade. And then, okay, so I'm in here. Stop loss is at 1880.4. Uh, 0.5.
I mean, I'd be fine with a top wick to the body high, you know?
Yeah.
I'd be more fine with a straight push to TP2 though. So
The idea here is to have runners coming back in to retest the structure at 1865. I like that the 5 also did close below this support here. So you're just getting a little bit of a top wick on the new 5. And then once we break the low of the previous 5, if you want to be aggressive with your management, you don't really want to see that high being broken. If you've got enough volume, we should be breaking this low and we should be filling this wick immediately.
yeah, well, that's very aggressive.
It is very aggressive, but you know, if I get stopped out, I would rather than try again at NYC.
Let me just. Did you say if we break those low now? So now if it comes back, you didn't say when it, like in that moment, if it went high there, you're gonna close out.
Yeah, so you see it created the high for the 15, then we broke this
Yeah.
low. I'm saying now that we broke
Yeah.
that low, you expect
Now you would.
like a quite a quick push, right? So you don't want to see this candle's high being broken now that we've broken the previous candle low.
I hear you.
So that's gonna be like a management point to close out some. Or close full and just try again at NYC.
Yeah, I mean, fuck. I think if we get another, we get to like, yeah, if we get like 76, why not just put the stops there? You know.
Yeah, I think if we fill the wick, I'll move my stop loss into there.
Fundamentally, we should continue down, but yeah.
Yeah, with those numbers, we should.
Sure.
It's not really giving that nice quick push.
Yeah, it's like slowly doing the same thing I did earlier. So for now, it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
I mean, if it goes down, I don't care if it goes down slow or fast as long as it fucking goes down, you know? So I'd prefer fast. But yeah.
W for the day, you ready?
I
Just
thought my
close and
phone
call it a
fucked.
dub.
Close it and call it a dub.
Close it, call it a day, bro.
Yes. And what, like
Fuck it.
8 pips, 7 pips?
Easy.
No, what? Not even.
It's like 4 pips. Oh shit.
I'm in deep profits. Man's 4 pips in. Oh. Close full and take a withdrawal profit. You'll be a bowler.
If you want to manage your stop loss, moving into above the previous 5-minute high is not a bad idea.
That sounds lovely to me, Connor. I'm doing that.
I'm gonna do that.
That's now what,
1871, 0.5. Yeah, it takes off 10 pips.
Sure.
10 pips off a stop, I'll take it. So just
Yeah.
managing the risk, makes sense. Like I say, once we broke that previous 15-minute low, if there's enough volume, we should be getting a quick wick for here. It's not really that quick, but it's slowly happening. You're respecting the slow time frame structure, so it's fine. It looks good. Once we've got the wick full with 9 minutes to go until NYC, I'm rather going to go break even. And I know that if NYC sets up again, I can try again. I might even just secure partials as we come down into 1875. Just see how we're coming down here. Shit's so slow. You know what? If we come back to entry now, I'm gonna close. So, I'm gonna move my stops to, let's say, above the current 5-minute high. It's basically break even. I'll have my stop at 77.5.
Yeah, I've done the same, bro. I've also gone break even, and I'm just gonna leave it.
I don't know, bro. I don't feel right about this shit. It's just going so slow.
Dude, like the thing is, literally if you look on a 1 minute, if we don't break that low, bro, she's gonna come back. I don't see this thing going down.
Yeah, well, that's the thing, bro. If
it needs to
like
break
I
that
say,
low and push, not
yeah.
just hover. It's not making me feel nice as well. So I'm break even, risk free trade it. And if this trade doesn't play out, I'll see what NYC does, but I doubt I'm taking something, bro. So
yeah,
and if NYC is what pushes us out, I'm fine with that too.
Yeah, chat, stops at break even here. We wanted a nice quick wick full. Oh, it's gradually coming. But you got NYC in 7 minutes, which, yeah, could easily pull back.
1, 2. Dude, the thing is, it's broken the low like fucking 7, 8, 9 times, 10 times, and it's just not going. It's pauses and then goes a bit. Pauses underneath that low, it just then makes, it's. Now watch. First 1 minute closes right, yeah? So if we don't break that low, we're coming to break even.
Yeah, and I just feel uneasy selling with this overall bullish trend. My worst nightmare is that these are the lows for the day, for the session. Because that is something we could see. This could be the low for the session. But I don't want to be taking buys here just yet. And I don't want to trade against the news either. So it's a tricky, I don't know, I feel weird about today.
Okay, close, let's go. Cheers. Cheers, chat. See, not. Fuck.
Oh my days.
Dude, you know what?
Fuck.
You know what?
Oh my
what?
Fucking days.
What?
Nico, I took it on the wrong account, bro. I just closed. Fuck.
Wait.
Oh shit.
Fuck. With what lot?
Fuck.
Oh my god. No.
Bro, I already just full margin. Fuck my life.
Jesus fuck, Connor. I just realized now too. No, yo. Okay. Woo! Bro, my heart's even going for you, dude. Holy
shit.
fuck.
Oh fuck.
Yo, bro, even
Wait.
yo.
So I was maybe risking like 20% of my account. Fucking fuck's sakes. Holy shit, bro.
So wait,
How did that
at least you close profit, right?
Yeah, close profits.
Yeah, must be nice profit too then.
I should have left a runner though. But I did close eventually. I mean, fucking obviously.
No,
Why
dude,
don't
that
like,
makes sense, bro. Fuck me.
I made like 10%
Yes.
with 10 pips. Fuck. Fuck. Oh, chat. I'm sorry. I'm sorry,
Oh
chat.
fuck! Thought you were on the. Oh, fuck! That's. Oh,
What the
wow.
fuck?
You know what I did?
That's loud.
Bro? Yeah.
Yo,
So
I read. Yo.
Chad, let me just say that I thought I was on a funded account, right? Because I'm like
Yeah.
alternating between a funded and a live. So
Oh, break even.
my live
Break
is
even.
definitely smaller than the funded, obviously. So I'm using the lot size from my funded account on my live.
Wanna show me?
Oh my goodness.
Even I got nervous, bro. Fucking hell. I
Oh,
got
shit,
taken out on
man.
break even, bro. Didn't you? How
Bro,
the fuck not?
I wish I let that shit run. No, I'm out, dude. I closed there at
No, I know you
76.8.
out, but the trade on the thing got out on break even because I had mine at break even and it just got taken out, dude. I think.
I don't know, but I'm out, bro. I'm out, Chad. I mean, if you're in here, it's tricky. Price is just hovering. You're probably gonna get taken out at break even, and it's tough to just secure like 5 pips. If you're happy with 5 pips, close some, 8 pips. But
NYC is probably just gonna wick you out.
yeah,
So
NYC is probably gonna wick you out. Something like that, look. Something like that, bro. Fuck me.
like that. Dude, and that's not funded money, bro. That's what makes you shit yourself.
Yeah, no,
So,
fuck. I'm grateful that turned out okay.
let me see.
Fucking hell, bro. Jesus, I would have shot myself. Fuck, man. I should have let it run. Yo,
Yo,
flipped my account quick.
Yo. You would have cucked, bro. Yes, even if you close down, bro, at like 75, dude.
Yeah, it would have been nice. Alright, there's my fucking monthly expenses done, sorted. Thanks.
One trade, 10 pips, monthly expenses done.
Yo, that's rough.
Yo.
Oh, that's hectic. Okay.
Yo, you fuck, they should just, yo, if you close out on the 20 pips, banging.
If I had seen, but I wasn't looking at the floating profit, I'm just watching price. You know what I mean? Thank God I did look. Although, yeah, I was break even anyway.
Imagine you, yeah. I was going to say, imagine you only looked when it was in drawdown, but we wouldn't have.
Because I was just sussing here on the chart, so I could move my stop loss. Because I can move it on the chart. I want to do that again. Oh shit. Yeah, no, I feel now like what it's like to take 10 pips and just be happy with it, right? It wasn't 10 pips, it was 76.8. I closed at like 5 or 6 pips. Yeah.
It was done by rest day today.
Yeah.
Almost literally the same thing, bro. If you think about it, I can't. Like, do the math quick.
Yeah,
You feel
pretty much, dude. But I can't do that shit. Like, my heart can't handle it. That's
No,
not,
dude.
that's
My
not our
heart went
trade.
for you, and it's even fucking my money, bro. Like, yes, sis. No, I'm fine, bro. I'm really fine not doing that.
So
But to be
chat,
fair,
that,
bro,
yeah.
what would that be? That would be
Yo,
fuck me, bro. That would be like, you know what? Holy fuck! If I have a 10k, bro, that would be me using an 80 lot the way I did it back in the day, Connor. On a 20k account, I'd be using an 8 lot, bro. 80 lot.
yes, yes. On a 10k. Yo. Oh my word.
I can't delete it, God. This fucking stupid hot shit, bro. Oh, fuck.
It's not that
There we
bad.
go.
I was
Yeah,
actually,
you know?
I've been using basically like, because I added there, so my added position is kind of what I've been using. But the full position is rough. The full position is hectic.
Dude, no, you can't, bro. Imagine 100 pips against you on that shit, dude.
No, that's my account gone. So chat, here we got NYC. You've closed obviously nice and bearish. You've closed below this support from London session. So a pullback to this support, or even back to retest the structure at 1880. And if you can then respect that area, that's going to be really nice. What you might even see is that this 30-minute is just wicking up now. You know, you've already kind of come up into the zone. So, you know, with NYSE, I want to say you can just wait for a 5-minute candle to close in your direction. So in this instance, we look for sells. So if we're seeing that this 5-minute candle is closing bearish, with that NYC volume, you might just push, but it's quite tricky to be selling into this 75. Yeah, I don't like this support here to the left, this zone. You see, this is kind of like a breakout trade, but you taking the trade into a rejection zone. I don't like it. So I don't really want to be taking something like this, even if it's at NYC. But I mean, if the volume is there, it's there. The drop might be in.
Yeah, but once again, it's coming to that low and not breaking it, bro.
But if it breaks it at NYC, it's gone.
That's gone.
This is a trade idea. I think I'm done for the day. But also wait for this 5 minutes to close. Don't take it on the break. It's too risky. In fact, even if you could wait for a 5 minute to close below 75.
Well, there she goes.
Maybe that's why I wasn't feeling right. Something was feeling off. Fucking
Because of the lot
full
size and
margining
stuff.
my account. It's just my intuition telling me something was wrong.
Telling you something's whack, dude. Something's going on.
Yeah, I would have flipped the account now.
Don't fucking get taken by that shit.
Dude, that's the thing. No, I can't wrap my head around it. Now I'm like, I want to flip my account. So I think I'm done for the day. I'm mentally fucked. I'm broken from that. I don't know. I want to do some stupid shit now.
Nah. See how it touched that low again?
Yeah, it's not a nice area to be executing on sells. I would much rather wait for a pullback to 1880 again and then bang the sells. Here you might see rejections now, and you know, if you're thinking that gold is going to continue bullish, now's your time to actually just pull the trigger with the buys, because you're going to have a really nice stop and you could let it run. In fact, I really don't think that's a bad idea. I don't know, Chad, I'm fried. I gotta go.
It's been a good day, Con, so let's call it, right?
It's been a good day.
Cheers, chat. I'll see you.
Cheers,
I'll
chat.
check you.
Yeah, just personally, what I would wait for in this situation is a pullback to 1880. See if you get rejections here, or even this zone 78.5, the London lows. See if you can get those sells set up. Deeper pullbacks all the way back up to 1885. You know, we see gold do this often, but it's tricky. Overall, the trend is still bullish, right? But with the data, it makes sense for the sells. We've seen that dollar strength coming in. You can see we've got a stronger dollar here, but it's like gold doesn't want to drop today. It's just, I mean, we've had a nice move down, but it's just so gradual. Yeah, just take it easy. I would wait for pullbacks to this zone for sells, or this zone. If you want to buy now. Put stops below the lows. Cheers, chat.
Yeah,
See you.